Welcome to Healthy Conversation. Computer Objective Questions and Answers for Children Part 17. Question. The most common input device used today is A. Joystick, B. Keyboard, C. Mouse, D. Touchpad. Correct answer is B. Keyboard. Question. Which machine washes clothes? A. Washing machine, B. Refrigerator, C. Iron, D. Heater. Correct answer is A. Washing machine. Question. Watch movie and cartoons. A. Monitor, B. Television, C. Radio, D. UPS. Correct answer is B. Television. Question. Chat with friends through internet. A. Computer, B. Television, C. Radio, D. Mouse. Correct answer is A. Computer. Question. Talk to someone far or near. A. CPU, B. Monitor, C. Telephone, D. UPS. Correct answer is C. Telephone. Question. Keeps food fresh and cool. A. Cooler, B. Washing machine, C. Refrigerator, D. Gas cylinder. Correct answer is C. Refrigerator. Question. My sister sends dash and chats with her friends through the internet. My sister sends email and chats with her friends through the internet. Question. Find the odd one out. A. MS Word, B. Windows XP, C. Linux, D. DOS. Correct answer is A. MS Word. Question. The two kinds of main memory are A. Primary and secondary, B. Random and sequential, C. ROM and RAM. Correct answer is C. ROM and RAM. Question. Which one is fuel machine? A. Car, B. Bicycle, C. Bullock cart. Correct answer is A. Car. How many beats in a byte? A 4, B 8, C 16. Correct answer is B 8. Question. Computer calculate numbers in what mode? A decimal, B octane, C binary. Correct answer is C binary. Question. RAM stands for a random access memory, B really annoying machine, C read a manual. Correct answer is A random access memory. Question. ROM stands for A read or memory, B really annoying machine, C read only memory. Correct answer is C read only memory. Subscribe, like, share and comment my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Hip hip hooray!